32 seconds into the flight.
Have you ever wondered, can we actually build a spaceship in our backyard? Sounds like science fiction, right? But wait, today, we're diving into this crazy idea. First, let's ask the big question. Do we mean a real spaceship? Something that can go to space? Or are we talking about a realistic-looking capsule with lights, buttons, and seats that makes you feel like an astronaut? Because let's be honest, launching a real rocket from your backyard? Not exactly legal. But building a realistic space capsule simulator? Totally possible. So what would we need? A basic frame. Wood, PVC pipes, or even metal. Some paneling, LED lights, screens, buttons. And you're already halfway there. Add sound effects, fog machines, warning labels, a NASA logo, and boom, now you've got a vibe. And how much would it cost? Good news, if you're smart with materials, you can start with as little as $500. If you want to go big and high-tech, you might stretch to $2,000 or $3,000. Now imagine this. In your backyard, a dome-shaped spaceship with blinking lights, glowing screens, and a control panel. At night, you hop in, flip switches, hear rocket sounds. It feels like you're about to launch. And who knows? Maybe it becomes the star of your YouTube channel too. Of course, you won't actually go to space in it, but you can bring the dream of space down to Earth. Spark curiosity, learn engineering skills, inspire your kids or your audience. And the best part, it's a ton of fun. So the answer is, yes, you can build a spaceship in your backyard. Not one that flies, but one that lights up your imagination, your creativity, and maybe even your future. If you love this idea, drop a comment. Maybe we'll design one together in the next video. Remember, every big dream starts with a small step. Now start the countdown. 3, 2, 1, lift off.